Hi, welcome to Jamie's Product Reviews. Yes, it's that time again to review another new item from the Masters of the Universe Origins line. And this one's a beauty. Stridor, the heroic armed war horse. So he's like part animal and part machine. He's Fisto's loyal steed who carries him as well as other heroic warriors into battle. And as it says, he's quite armed. Lots of accessories that come with this. It's going to take me a while to unbox this and sort it all out, so I'm not going to waste any time. Let's get Stridor out in the open the way a horse should be. Here's Stridor, along with his 10,000 accessories. And yes, I had Stridor, the Vintage version, as a kid. I didn't have Night Stalker, but I did have Stridor. And if you recall, the Vintage version had, well, it didn't really have any articulation, but guess what? This does have articulation. So, but actually, before we go any further, this is going to require some assembly. We got to put these blasters on. I'm sure these blasters are the same, so it doesn't matter which one goes where. Here you can see the little holes where it goes. So I'll just see if I can pop that in there. All right, let me just try the other side first, see if I have better luck with that. You know what, I'm going to have to do this off camera. I got his blasters in. I was doing it the wrong way at first, but before we go any further, let's talk about the articulation and this mechanical steed. Let's see. He's got a bushy tail, which it's kind of stiff, but it moves left and right. And he's got his rear blaster. His yeah, it kind of looks like he's shooting out of his ass. But anyway, it does turn left and right. And the guns, after you put his front blasters in, they can move up and down. And of course, his legs. It's very stiff and it's very iffy, but they do move. They move at the base of the legs, and they move at the knees, and also the feet move up and down. Even his head, his neck is kind of like on a ball joint, and it bobbles around. And his face can move a little bit, and even his mouth has articulation, so you can open and close his mouth, and that makes this possible, that you can fit his little mouthpiece in there. So when someone sits on him, ready to take a ride on Stridor, they just hold on to these two hand pieces, and they're like, giddy up, horsey. And it should be noted that it comes with this. This is his stand that you can stand him on. And yes, it does attach to Castle Grayskull, which I don't have. Alright. And his mounting piece goes in here. I'm not going to do it now, but it goes in here, so you can mount Stridor on top of here and put him in different positions. And the fence goes right in here. Let's just go ahead and do this. It's a one-time assembly. Let's just go ahead and stick this in here. I cannot get that in there. Doing it wrong again. So, yeah, just like that. Yeah. There. Now Stridor's got his little mini stable here. And of course, this comes with all this. I'm not going to attach it now. I'm just going to put this aside. One thing he comes with is he comes with an alternate mask. And this one's got a lot more detail than the one that came on him when he was packaged. It's got this horn thing here. The detail on here is really nice. Yeah, there's a little painting mishaps there, but that's all right. But anyway, if you want to switch out the mask, you just pull it off, and you can put this one on. There. Now he's got a more detailed look in front. Yeah. Or if you wish, you could have. Or if you wish, you could just leave his head naked and have no mask on him. Some people prefer that. And finally, it comes with these 3 blast effects. What you do is you just stick them on here like that. And it looks like he's shooting out of his guns. Yeah, I think it's easier to put on the rear one than it is the front ones. Yeah, but anyway, that's what it looks like when he's shooting off his guns. As far as putting a heroic warrior inside his saddle, that brings us to Fisto. Yeah, Fisto has been known to be the main saddler of Stridor. So let's see if you can just fit him in here. Fit Fisto in his seat. Oh yeah, he fits in there nicely. Yeah, it's Fisto taking command of Stridor and ready to ride into battle. Of course, you don't have to use these. I mean, they didn't even come with the vintage version. So maybe we'll just take these out and we'll see how it works without it. Because Stridor is not a dim-witted animal. I mean, yes, he's part mechanical, but he knows what he's doing when he's taking his heroic warriors into battle. Here's Fisto. Riding his loyal steed. It remains to be seen somewhere down the road if Origins will give us a Night Stalker, which would be the evil counterpart to Stridor. I had Stridor when I was a kid, but I did not have Night Stalker. I would have loved to have had a Night Stalker. Of course, he's the loyal steed, the evil and loyal steed of Jitsu. I would love to have Jitsu and Night Stalker take on Fisto, the duo of Fisto and Stridor in battle. And yes, he was in the Filmation cartoon a time or two. Although he wasn't depicted as Fisto's horse, which I think would have been nice if they would have done that, but oh well. Yeah, you gotta love Stridor. He's got a lot going for him. Fisto's very lucky to have a loyal steed like Stridor carrying him into battle, so That's my review, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.